Besides pinning her hair up, drawing on her eyebrows, it's a two-person job.
When you leave right after you make love, it makes me feel cheap.
Oh, honey, I'm sorry. What can I do?
Stay.
Okay. Like what, another 5-10 minutes?
Go home.
Your call.
Howard, you ever considered us living together?
Boy,
Probably still
I
cat.
don't know. You, me, Ma living under the same roof?
No, I mean just you and me. You can move in here, or we can find a place.
I've got a better solution.
What?
We wait for my mom's heart to explode from all the salt she eats. Then we just stick her in the ground, flip her mattress, and move into the big bedroom.
Oh, that was smart.
Great.
Good cat, Lola.
Look at us planning a future
More fun putting your head in.
Sex criminals don't have keys, Mom!
Where were you so late?
I was out with Bernadette!
She's got one out and she doesn't realise.
I was Dr. Phil. I hope to God you used a condom.
I'm not having this conversation with you, Mom.